In this video, I will show you the torch test with this coin. This is the real magic power of the coin. You can see how the torch reacts with this coin. This is a very rare coin. This is a copper coin. This is an anti-magnetic coin. I will show you once again. This is a normal rechargeable torch. You can collect this from around 120 rupees from local markets. I will show you. I will open this one. This is a light. This is a LED torch. This is a LED 1 watt LED. I removed the front glass. With the front glass, this experiment will not work. So you have to remove the front glass of the torch. Yes, now it's working. I already removed the front glass. This is our coin. This is a very expensive, and this is a copper coin. This is a anti-magnetic coin. This is not attractive with the magnets. This is a speaker magnet, very powerful magnet. I will show you. This is very powerful. The coin will not attract with the magnet. I'll place the coin like this. For support, I place the just a tape ring. You can now see the magic. We have to wait 4 or 5 seconds. Yes, the torch automatically cut off. The LED already blow out. We can use. We can't reuse this one. This is 100% real magic power of this coin. This is a very powerful and copper coin.